Hi, second graders. Welcome to Writing Lesson 3. We are going to continue to think about how we can share our opinions with others. Remember, an opinion is what you think, feel, or believe about a certain topic. And it's important that you learn how to share your opinion because what you think and feel is really important. And sharing your opinion is one way that you can tell others what you think and feel. On the last two lessons, we've been thinking about a kind of opinion that has a yes or no answer, right? Was Gru a good fairy? Yeah, fairy princess, yes or no? Some other examples of those types of opinions might be, is pizza the best school lunch? Yes or no? You can share your opinion about that. Or is kickball the best game to play at PE? Yes or no? You can make an opinion about that. But that's not the only kind of opinion that we can make. Sometimes we can ask ourselves this question: which is better? We can look at two things and think about our opinion on which of those two things is better, and then give lots of reasons why we think one is better than the other. And that's the kind of opinion writing we're going to work on next. Here's our goal for today. I can get ideas for a topic for my opinion piece, making several strong reasons to support my opinion. That's what we're going to do today. I'm going to show you a way to think which is better and make an idea list that you're going to use to write your own opinion writing. Let's get started. If you have a copy of this page, our opinions comparison list, I want you to take it out and look at it. If you don't have a copy, that's okay. There will be one later on in the Nearpod. One way that we can get ideas for which is better is to look at this comparisons page. Each two pictures are of the same topic. For example, if you look at the first two pictures, they're both pizzas, so that topic is pizza. But we're going to ask ourselves which is better, pepperoni pizza or cheese pizza. As you look at the different topics on the page, it's important you think about which topics you care about, because that means you're going to have a lot more reasons to write down. For example, I have a big opinion and I care a lot about candy. So the M&Ms or Skittles topic would be a great one for me to write about. But I don't really have a lot of interest in different types of superheroes. Batman or Spider-Man, it's not really important to me which one is better, so that wouldn't be a good topic for me to look at. What you're going to do is in your writing notebook, if you have a notebook, or on a piece of writing paper, if that's what you use, you're going to make a page that looks like this. And at the top, you're going to write opinion idea list. This is where you're going to keep track of your opinions and your reasons so that when it's time to do your writing, you can come back and look at your ideas. Under opinion writing list, you're going to make a T-chart with your opinion on one side and reasons on the other. And I know you guys are expert T-chart makers because we make a lot of those in second grade. So you'll just make a line down, make a line across, and write opinion and reasons. Once you do that, you're ready to use your comparisons document and come up with your opinion and some reasons. So, for example, I said I was interested in the topic of candy, so that's the one I'm going to do. And I'm going to ask myself which is better, M&Ms or Skittles. And in my opinion, M&Ms are definitely better than Skittles. So I want to write that under my opinion. M&Ms are better than Skittles. So that's how I use the which is better question to come up with my opinion. M&Ms are better than Skittles. But I need to make sure I have several strong reasons that prove or support my point that M&Ms are better. So I need to think, and I'm going to think out loud for just a little bit before I write. So why do I think that M&Ms are better than Skittles? Well, I think that they have delicious chocolate, and Skittles don't have chocolate. So that's my first reason. I think chocolate is really delicious, and so that's what makes M&Ms better. I think that they have yummy centers. So they have that hard, crunchy shell on the outside, but the center is nice and gooey chocolate, and I really like that. Plus, M&Ms are not sticky. I don't know if you've ever had Skittles, but they like make your fingers all sticky, and I just don't like that. So that's another reason why. So those are three reasons that I have that I think M&Ms are better than Skittles. I want to list those on my reasons over here. But remember, this is just an idea list. It's not that I have to have a big, long sentence for each of my reasons. I just want to make a couple of dots so that I remember later on what I was thinking. So I'm going to put this is called a bullet point, and I'm going to write delicious chocolate. Notice I'm using a word like delicious because that is an opinion word that I want my readers to know. Delicious chocolate. And I didn't make it into a sentence. I just made a little bullet and I remind myself, oh yes, I want to tell them that it's made of delicious chocolate. I remember that I said that there were yummy centers. So I'm going to put yummy centers. Again, I'm not making a complete full sentence, just an idea to remind myself later what I want to write. And my third reason was because they were not sticky. So those are my strong reasons why I believe that M&Ms are better than Skittles. So later on, if I decide to write about this, I could come back here and remember what I wanted to write. But I don't want to stop there. I want to get lots of ideas so that tomorrow when I begin writing my opinion writing, I'll have lots of different choices. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a line to show I'm moving on to a new opinion. And I'm going to look back at my comparison chart and pick another one. Well, I do have a strong opinion about pizza. And so I think that's going to be my next opinion writing. I happen to think that pepperoni pizza is better than cheese pizza. But instead of using the word better, I'm going to use the word tastier because I think it's tastier than cheese pizza. So I write my opinion. Pepperoni pizza is tastier than cheese pizza. And then I would follow the same steps. I would think about what are my reasons why pepperoni pizza is better or tastier than cheese pizza. And I would make a couple of bullet points over here and list my ideas. Not writing all long, complete sentences, just ideas that I can come back to and remember when it's time, when it's time to write. So do you see how I labeled at the top opinion idea list? I made a T-chart with opinions and reasons. Then I looked at my comparison page and I thought, which topic is important to me? And I chose a topic, and then I made my opinion. M&Ms are better than Skittles, and I listed my reasons. I picked another topic. I wrote my opinion. Pepperoni pizza is tastier than cheese pizza. And later on during my independent writing, I'm going to go back and I'm going to add some reasons. That's what your job is going to be to do today. All right, second grade, here's your job for today. First, you're going to write opinion idea list at the top of your paper. You can do this on a blank piece of paper, on a lined piece of paper, or in your notebook. It's up to you. Then, I want you to make a T-chart with the labels opinion and reasons. After that, I want you to choose one set of the comparison pictures and think, which is better? And write your opinion on the left side of the T-chart under opinion. Remember, choose a set of pictures that you care a lot about because that means you're going to have a lot of reasons. After you write your opinion, I want you to list 2 or 3 reasons for your opinion on the right side of your T-chart. Remember, these don't have to be long and complete sentences. Just a bullet of ideas that you will remember when you go to write your opinion writing. After that, I want you to choose another set of comparison pictures and do the same thing so that you have several ideas to choose from when it comes time to do your opinion writing. All right, second grade, you have a big job ahead of you. If you don't have this comparison document at home with you, it'll be on the next Nearpod slide for you to look at. All right, head off, make some opinions, list some reasons, and then head back to the Nearpod slide when you're all finished so you can reflect on your lesson. Have fun!